Hello, and welcome to another Tuesday Yogi Smoke Break. So, what if there were something to help you diminish your overwhelm, no matter how stuck you were? Well, one of the tools that I use for this is the Kundalini meditation to act, not react, because it teaches us, like my affirmation is today, that we can control our emotions by using our breaths. So, if you are interested in more tools for how to reduce stress and evoke more calm and empowerment, the link attached is a link to my friend Eleni Vardaki's Stress Less Summit, in which she interviews coaches and educators from many countries all over the world on tips to reduce stress and evoke a healthy mindset. So feel free to check out that link for free 10-minute interviews with different experts. And there is an interview with me about yogi smoke breaks and the value that it brings me and what I believe it brings others. So in order to start off this yogi smoke break, I'm going to start off with Sufi grinds, which is a move that is both great for a warm-up for breathing, but is also really great for as we move the body forward. It's actually a great move that improves digestion and helps the lower organs. And with the movement, it decreases stress, especially if we can stretch out the breath as long as possible. So in order to use Sufi grinds, we put our hands on our knees. And you can do this no matter if you're sitting in a desk chair, wherever works for you. And we inhale as the body moves forward slowly. And once we get to the sides, exhaling back. Inhaling forward. Exhaling back. Inhale. Exhale back. Then the more powerful the breath, the greater the effect will be. And once we get to the side, we are going to change directions and we will still exhale as we move backward. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Okay. And to open up the posterior chain, the middle of the body, the heart center, we're going to do shoulder shrugs in which we lift up the shoulders, squeezing as close to the ears as possible, as long as possible as we inhale up. And as we exhale, slowly moving the arms back and around. Inhaling up. Squeezing as close to the ears as possible. Exhale back and around. Inhaling up. And this time we are going to exhale with moving the arms forward and in front. Inhaling up. Squeezing as close to the ears and arms forward and around. Okay. Now that we have opened the body up a little bit, this is perfect for a side twist in which we are working the spine. So in order to do this, I'm putting my right hand on my left knee and my left hand behind me. And I'm inhaling to lengthen the spine, exhaling to twist and look behind the left shoulder. And slowly back to center. If you hear a crack, excellent, it's working. As long as it's not too painful, it should be gentle. Left hand on the right knee and right hand behind. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale to twist and look behind the left shoulder. And that's one I choose to do as many times as supports me. And another one to work out the sides of the body. I'm inhaling up, palms together, and exhaling down to the right. Inhale up, Exhale down to the left. Inhale up. Exhale the arms down. All right, and for the short meditation, the adapted version of the Kundalini meditation, to act, not react, this is where we put the hands in Gyan Mudra, where the index fingers and the thumbs are touching. And we inhale with a whistle for 3 seconds. And as we inhale, we are thinking of whatever it is we wish to encompass. So maybe it's productivity or impact or connection, as it often is for me. And we hold on to that breath for 3 seconds and then powerfully release anything that doesn't serve us with a cannon breath out. So you can close your eyes, focus on the third eye point, the spot right between the 2 eyes, and inhale with a whistle. Hold on to it and release. Inhale with a whistle, anything you wish to encompass. Hold on to it and release anything that doesn't serve you. One last time. Inhale with a whistle. Hold the breath at the top and release anything you wish to get rid of. Thank you so much for joining this Yogi Smoke Break and taking the time for your own self-care, because as you take the time for your self-care and increase your own peace and calm, you're able to radiate that to others around you. Thanks, and if you can, please check out Eleni Vardaki's Stress Less Summit, in which all experts from all over the world are showing tips on how we can empower ourselves by using simple breathing strategies and other things for empowerment. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on Thursday.